Remove the sticker and keep it in a safe place. It contains the factory reset code. If using the Telecody for the first time, press and hold down the M button to activate the battery. When the two top lights come on, the Telecody is ready for programming. Think of a 4 to 8 digit access code to program into the Telecody. You will need this code later to complete the process. Remove the cover. Locate the radio button. Your operator has a 2-channel radio receiver. You must program channel 1. Press the coding button once. If the light marked LED 1 is on, channel 1 is selected and in learning mode. If another channel is selected, repeatedly press the radio button until the light marked LED 1 is on. Within 10 seconds, press and hold down the button with the first number of your chosen access code. A red light near the coding button will flash until the process is complete. Pressing this button will now activate the operator. You now need to program the full access code into the Telecody. Press P. Press the first number of your access code. Press P. Enter the full 4 to 8 digit access code. Press P. 2 lights come on to show that the full code is now programmed. To code in other buttons, repeat the full coding process.